Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me.
Hey FamBam, welcome back. Hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MsTopacJay. It sounds like I've lost a little bit of my voice, but I think it's because I haven't spoken in about 8 hours. Hold on a minute. Hello? Twe. Still the same. It don't matter. Anyway, so I was sitting here trying to figure out what to film. I mean, I do have a few videos to film, but I think because I'm a little bit stressed with school, but I'm trying not to be stressed. I'm just trying not to care really, but I should care, and I do care. Do you know what I mean? So that's why my brain's a bit clogged. And I remembered that about a week or so, no, actually about 4 weeks ago, it's been over a week, I compiled a list of nothing over $10 makeup, okay? So I decided, let's just do that video, all right? And I know the title of this video already says, nothing over $15. That's because only one item in this list is $15. I couldn't find $10 or under products in that particular item. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Look, let's just go ahead and start this video, okay? If you haven't subscribed, you should join the FamBam. Subscribe down below, turn notification. And you need to make sure you also regularly like commenting on my videos as well, so that way you can keep getting notifications whenever I post, because YouTube, that is a new thing they've brought up. All right, so without further ado, let's just stop straight into this. Nothing over $15, even though it's only one item that's $15, but basically kind of like nothing over $10 affordable drugstore makeup video. Let's jump straight into it. So for brows, I've got the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Espresso. I actually haven't used this in a while. There's a time I would use it like literally like all the time. It actually kind of dried up a little bit. So about 2 weeks or so ago, I put a little bit of oil in there and it's more non-drying. Yeah, I'm just trying to find my brush. All right, you know what? Let's use Morphe. This is affordable as well, which is great. This is the Morphe E29. This is the Morphe E29 brush. It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyebrow brush. It also has a spoolie at the end as well. So we're gonna go ahead and use this to do my brows. Gonna line it first, fill it in, and then do the tail like so. Yes. Because I haven't used this brush before, this is my first time using it. It's still a little bit, it's not as lived in, you know what I mean? All right, brows are done. I do like this Tame Frame brow pomade. It's just that because I don't use it a lot, and I think sometimes when I finish using it, like I kind of don't lock it properly, so that's why I kind of dried out. So when it dries out, even though I put the oil in it, it still kind of feels a little bit crusty and dusty and whatnot on my brows, so you gotta be careful with that. But this is nice, affordable. I actually didn't tell you the price. This Reuters, by the way, I'm based in Australia. If y'all don't know, and if you don't know, in Australia, makeup prices are about ×3 of the price compared to y'all in the UK and the US, okay? So I mainly have the US prices. That's what we're based on, okay? Because most of you guys are in the US and the UK anyway, okay? That's what my YouTube analytics says in my demographics section. All right, anyway, so the Tame Frame brow pomade retails for $3.92 currently on Target.com in the US, and it's $7.50 on NYX US website, which is kind of weird. So run to Target if you want to get it. Okay. All right, so next let's go into eyeshadow, since I've already kind of primed my eyelid, and this is the eyeshadow that actually made me change the title of this video to be $15 and under. Most of the eyeshadow palettes in my collection are $15 and over. So I reached for the Revolution X Soft Dust Nails eyeshadow palette. I think this was the first one or the second one. Yeah, this was the second one. This is the first one. So I reached out for the Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $15. I haven't used this in a while, and from memory, I remember loving this eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited to actually use it in today's video. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Running Late, which is a skin tone transition orange, muted orange kind of shade, and I'm just gonna use this as a transition. The eyeshadow brushes I'm going to be using in this video are affordable, and actually my Morphe brushes, which I just bought recently. Anyway, this is the Morphe E22 brush. This is a tapered blending brush. Let me come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm just putting this in my crease. All right, so now that we've got transition down, all right, we're going to go into the shade Cheesecake, which is kind of like a brownie. Actually, it is brown, a bit of a red undertone brown, and I'm going to pop this in the crease as well. I don't know what look I'm doing, but we're just gonna keep going. My stomach just growled. So I'm going to be using the Morphe E27 brush. This is also a blending brush, but it's not tapered. So I'm just going to use it to just blend both of these shades together. I'm really itching to use this shade 21, which is the red shade, this one right here. I was going to use my finger to show the eyeshadow, but honestly, I don't care. Someone commented on one of my Instagram videos that Drag Cosmetics, which I love, you know, that they shared on their page, and they said, the person said, you might want to do your nails and whatnot, especially if you're going to be showing products. Girl, not everybody wants to be doing false nails all the time, girl. No, I will not be doing that. I am enough. Okay, it's infection control. And I'm not just gonna do nails just to take it off just for a video. No, I was doing that one time. I was like, why am I doing that? Why am I even putting, no, I will only do it when I want to. So if you don't like it, just close your eyes and listen to the sound of the video. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna apply the shade 21. What's 9 plus 10? 21? You're still fat. I'm gonna apply this just in my outer corner right here with the E27 brush. I'm gonna start gradually bringing it to my inner crease, but I want the outer one to be more red. Honestly, this eyeshadow palette is awesome. So now we're gonna go into the shade Sweet and Sour, which is below Running Late. I'm just gonna put this on the edge of this color right here, just on the crease. So now I am going to grab a concealer brush. I don't know what I want to do really. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right here, just in my lid, and just use the shade to cut my crease basically, because I can't bother applying concealer. Have I done this look before? I don't know. Ugh. For primer, I chose the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. If you have oily combination skin and you haven't tried this primer yet, I would recommend that you go and try it. You just need to like rub it into your skin until it kind of dries and has that kind of like a white cast. This primer retails for $3.92 in Target. This is actually finishing. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna go into foundation. This is a Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour full coverage foundation. This is in the shade Cocoa. Is it Cocoa, girl? I think it's Cocoa. Are you Cocoa? Cocoa, 70 Cocoa. Okay, I think this is the last shade. I love this foundation. Love it. It minimizes oil production. I hardly really use it as well. And do you see what I just did? Do you see what I just did? On my beautiful $6 shirt. Do you see what I just did? I feel so discombobulated right now. Like, do you see that? It's fine. All right, so this foundation retails for $8.99 in Target US. Ooh, and look at how that just blends. Look at that. Look, why am I hissing? I'm just kissing my teeth. Why? But do you see that? It's so disrespectful. But the sad thing though, it doesn't really come with a lot of shade, except if they've expanded the shade, and I don't know. Do you see my skin? Skin still look like my skin. Okay, great. All right, for concealer, I'm gonna go with the Colourpop No Filter concealer, of course. I love this concealer, okay? I was going to use the Maybelline Instant Age White concealer, but it's finishing, so we ain't going to use that, all right? So the Colourpop No Filter concealer retails for $6 on Colourpop.com, okay? $6 US, okay? And I'm going to be using the shade Dark 46 and Dark 40. I placed down Dark 46 first to conceal, and then I use Dark 40 to highlight and blend this out. So now we're going to go ahead and set the concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the shade 30 Medium Deep. I think I might use the 40 dark for my face. I don't know. You know, I love this powder. Love it so much. And this powder rate, I almost forgot the price. Retails for $5.99 in Target. My skin looks so good. You make me coco loco. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze this face. To bronze my face and highlight my face, I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark one, okay? I'm gonna bronze my face with the contour shade and highlighting with the highlighter in here. So now we're gonna go ahead and blush, and I will be using the, of course, Health Blush Palette in the shade Dark, and this retails for $6 on the Elf website in the US, and actually here in Australia, it's $8.54 in Australian dollars, which is great, but that's on the iHerb website. It's gonna blush. All right, there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and highlight. This palette is just so good. Literally, I bought 2 more. This is the first one I bought. Look at that. Do you see this? Look at that. Try out this palette, okay? It's so good and so universal, and they have like application guide inside as well for really like beginners as well. And the highlighter, oh my god, look, do you see that in the middle right here? Look at that. Like, it just gives you that nice natural glow. Subtle, but you can still catch it if you don't blink, you know? I'm gonna go back to the eyes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my lower lash line, just real quick. You know, I can't find the brush I need. You got what I need. You say you're just a friend. Ooh, baby, you got what I need. All right, so this is the Morphe E18 brush. I'm gonna stamp 21, the red that's in my outer corner right here. I'm just gonna stamp this on my lower lash line. This is the designer brand Absolute Precision Liquid Eyeliner Pen, okay? into felt tip eyeliner, and this is $9.99 in Australia. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Should I do wing? Oh, that looks good. This looks like sun, you know, like the sun. I don't know if I want to do wing. Well, I'll just line my top lash line and also my lower lash line as well with it first, and I'll decide if I want to do wing or not. All right, so here we go. After using the eyeliner, I actually went back into the SOPH eyeshadow palette with a Morphe M432 brush. All right, so now for mascara, I am going to be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This mascara is worth the hype. It comes in blue and black. I think it comes with other colors as well, but I received the blue color and the black color. I haven't used the blue yet. I don't know where I'm going to use the blue, but we're going to see how we go. Okay, so I've got the black one right here, which I've been using non-stop, and this retails for $8. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes, and the lashes I will be applying, of course, that's a bit of lashes, okay, in the style Sassy, and I will be right back. All right, here we go. Lashes are on. So now we're going to go into the lips. And what I've chosen for the lips today is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is in the shade Pioneer. And this actually retails for $9.49 at Ulta.com. Okay. It's red. Oh, it just smells so good. I love the applicator. Like, it's one of those applicators that has a hole in the middle, so the product is literally in the middle. Shape of it just makes it so much easier to get to the edge of your lips. That's very red. Don't know if I should be using red, you know, or pinky red, whatever it is. Oof. Whoa, I don't know about this lips. All right, here we go, all done. I went ahead and I topped up my lip, kind of ombreed it a bit because that red was looking a little too, no, you know. It's also a Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lipstick, but this one is in the shade Lover. You ain't thinking about me no more. So that's all I've got for you guys for today's video. Let me know what you think. I think I've done this eye look before. I don't know, but I just gravitated towards it. If I've done it before, I'm sorry, okay? Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video and about this look as well. Thank you so much for watching. As I said in the beginning of this video, if I haven't cut it out yet, if you're yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Comment down below when you're done subscribing as well. And also make sure you keep like engaging in my comment section so that way YouTube can notify you whenever I upload videos. It's not just about turning on the notification bell anymore, even though that is great as well. That will also help, but it's also about like engaging as well, apparently. Okay, so if you feel like you haven't really been seeing any of my videos, that's probably why. All right, so make sure you're engaging as well. As I said, thank you so for watching, babes. As always, whatever you do, remember to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye.